Welcome back to Olaf's Oldtimer. Actually, I wanted to do this video about how I do fix the switch for the reverse lights. But I had no time, the weather was bad, and then Sweetness Heart told me that the indicators don't work anymore. So I just went out and changed the fuse again, and then they worked again, and then they stopped working again, and I'm talking about the indicators. In the end, now they do work, and we decided to get on the road and drive eastward in Germany. And as you can see, it's a bit wintry, and it sure looks like a country road, but it's not. It's the German Autobahn, where usually you can go, well, as fast as you can. And with this car, the 190D, the W201, we would go 120 and 140, and now we are going 40 kilometers. Yeah, I wonder, why does nobody take care of these Autobahns in a way to get the snow off? As you might be able to see at the far end of the Autobahn, a snowplow is in front of us, so it is taking care of the road. I assume there's two driving next to each other because both lanes are going 30 to 40 kilometers. Here you can see we are close to Hagenow now, and it's the standard German disaster. We have a centimeter of snow and nothing works anymore. So following, you may join us on some wintry roads instead of repairing the car. Good thing is, this way I can prove again, an old Mercedes is a daily driver, and it's a good one. So join us. So small break, taking a leak. The Autobahn turned out to be better than it was in the beginning. Still pretty slippery. We now left the Autobahn onto the countryside, real back roads, and well, it's a bit cold, a bit icy.
We made it! I can't wait to ride together again soon.
Believe it or not, we made it. We did pick up some snow. Had a good ride, as you could see from the pictures. Lots of snow. Car worked just fine. One might say perfect. And the indicators did work. Nothing broke down. So we made it here safely through the snow. So thank you guys for watching. Stay safe and healthy. See you soon. Bye.